Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just get thank you enough. So, my realistic people, today I have a quick one to share with us. Now, between Kcee, Imoni, and MC Oluomo. In fact, you guys know that during the presidential election, a lot of things transpire between the Igbo'S living in Lagos and MC Oluomo. So a lot of people are saying, oh, he did not love the Igbo'S, and a lot of things that happened in Lagos, they believe that he is behind it, and he issued a lot of threats, of which he later explained that it's all a joke. So this Imoni and Kcee, they are from Igbo speaking part of Nigeria, and they paid homage to MC Oluomo after everything that happened during the presidential election. But let me not talk too much. I just want to release the little clip to you so you watch it and see some reaction of the people. Here's the video. Watch it and I'll be right back.
You know, we need to put some little cash.
Don't be like
this, no matter how little.
Don't be like.
That's how we do. And a drink.
Don't be like.
And MC.
Ababa.
You're a powerful man.
Ababa.
You're a great man.
The last man standing.
Ababa. MC Ababa. Don't be like.
And we celebrate your presence.
Imoni in the building. If I am when. Don't be like.
You guys are highly welcome.
Now every day.
This
we
is
outside.
nothing but just a token from our hearts. You know, we need to put some little cash.
Don't be like.
This, no matter how little.
Don't be like.
That's how we do. And a drink.
Don't be like.
And MC.
Ababa.
You're a powerful man.
Ababa.
You're a great man.
The last man standing.
Ababa. MC Ababa. Don't be like.
And we celebrate your presence.
Imoni in the building. If I am when. Don't be like.
You guys are highly welcome.
Now every day.
This
we
is
outside.
nothing but just a token from our hearts.
Ademma ụmụnne m ndị Igbo ka eke unu melụ udo dịkwa asị m ka m kelee unu na mgbede a enwere ife m fụrụ na net, ife m fụrụ na newspaper online ebe na video anyway ebe Imoni na Kcee nwanne ya nọ na-aja MC Oluomo ike na-asị ya na ọ bụ duko na ọ bụ dike ndikerere na a powerful man, a great man, this, that, you know. When I'm in a video, I come name or warm. Okay, if I'm not video and then that Dibrojandia, Simba Niva, real video. Plus, only cause on a corner, na Jaliha. I go name a film. When I'm not be here, I got a charomia. Makanani name my fair MC Oluomo Merundibo, Bemer election na Lagos. Kcee bi Lagos. One year woko Imoni bi Lagos. Had their way of the attack Emerundibo na Lagos, led by MC Oluomo. Asegem na MC Oluomo when right to egakwa no law Kcee na one year woke Imoni. When that right to enyi ha nwoke otego haji mata. But ebem na ele anya wo nwekwere ka ha siri di jụọ ya ajụjụ okwu okwuru na onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo pụtara ịtụ vote that day mere presidential election na mantụrụ APC ya apụtakwana onwe ka esi jụọ ya ndị nke mere attack ma da woman akwachara isi ma akwachi ya anya na ebe niile onwekwere ka ha siri jụọ ya si nna ihe nke amekwe enunu nna wow nna ihe aka emekwe nna wa for you why they do this kind of thing no say na my brothers na my sisters amami na ghọta amam onwere ka ha siri jụọ ya amam I'm just thinking aloud. I'm just thinking aloud. So this video is not to indict anybody. It's not to condemn anybody. No. But all Adiama Maboro na Kcee na Imoni aju MC Oluomo ihemere during the presidential election. Ohereka dekwara hejuya. You know, the issue of praising him, all great man, all powerful man, this and that. And all powerful man no kochara ndị Igbo na Lagos. And our powerful man no yiri ndị Igbo egwu threaten the lives of ndị Igbo. And I got a baby their own powerfulness shirabiaga. I got the praises of not the powerful. I got a ramebo siabia. When we call the powerful, you know, as a oyenyi hanwoken on a me heshirike, no the hana many hanaro. Manam anamacho. ka atụruo vidio anụnwa ka o ruo fa ntị adịghị ama ma ọ bụrụ na fa jụrụ ya ajụjụ ọ bụrụ na fa jụrụ ya ajụjụ Kcee na E-Money ọ bụrụ na fa jụrụ MC Oluomo ajụjụ okwu ahụ o kwuru megide ndị Igbo mgbe e mere election nakwa agwa ahụ ọ kpara by leading talks akụjasa ndị Labour Party kụjasa ụmụnne anyị ndị Igbo ma ndị bịara ebe ịtụ vootu ma ndị even from mgbe emege registration PVC registration and PVC collection ka ha jụọ ya ajụjụ ha jụchaa ya ajụjụ ahụ ama m na ọ bụrụ na ha jụrụ ya ajụjụ ahụ before ya bịa n'ụlọ ha ma ọ bụ mgbe ha nọ n'ụlọ ha akaghị iwepụ ọnụ sị na ọ wee powerful man ma ọ na ọ wee great man because I am not seeing any greatness in MC Oluomo. MC Oluomo went out. The guy won't agboro. You got to go, oh, agboro, oh, it doesn't have value. As far as Mua is concerned, it doesn't have value. You know, nuisance value. It doesn't have any intellectual value. It doesn't have any social value. The only social value is nuisance. That's what he's causing in Lagos. And of course, Ndibo will not forget. Will not forget in a hurry how he led talks to attack them during the elections and how he threatened Ndibo. So Kcee na one year E-Money una jụrụ ajụjụ maka ihe o mere Ndibo during the elections. They won.
You know, we need to put some little cash
Don't be like
this, no matter how little.
Don't be like.
That's how we do. And a drink.
Don't be like.
And MC,
Ababa.
you're a powerful man.
Ababa.
You're a great man.
The last man standing.
Ababa. MC
The
Ababa.
last man standing and still standing.
Don't be like.
And we celebrate your presence.
E-Money in the building. If I am when. Don't be like.
You guys are highly welcome.
Now every day.
This
We
is
outside.
nothing but just a token from our hearts.
If you can also recall with me, you will discover that the Eze in Lagos that made a statement saying that he is going to invite IPOB, they are going to work together to make sure the Igbo'S in Lagos State are safe. Up to this very moment, the Eze has been shut down. A lot of things is happening. They shut him from not speaking. They shut him his right to expression. His right to walk around. His right to do a lot of things were taken away from him just because he made statement. But here is a man that made a statement that is even more than what the Eze said. But believe me, and nobody is saying anything about it because he did not have the power or he did not belong to the ruling party. But here is someone who rendered a lot of threat during the election and he's working freely. But all the same, everybody to their own opinion. He is a friend to E-Money and Kcee. So why Nigerians are dragging these two persons is that they were saying this is somebody that threatens your people and say a lot of things. And you are here paying him homage, calling him the last man standing, expressing your gratitude to him. So why did you not tell him the wrong that he has done? So how did you say? Do you think that is the right way for E-Money to visit E-Money and Kcee to visit this particular MC Oluomo after everything that transpired during the presidential election? And they might also be good business partners, but why the Igbo'S are angry, or why most Nigerians are angry, is that this thing that happened, these persons never said anything about it, never expressed themselves that this is what this person has said that is wrong, but just bush. They see this type of picture, they see this type of video. So do you think that their visit to him is logistic? Do you think that is right? Or do you think that they are friends and they still have right to be friends even despite everything that happened? So please drop your opinion in the comment section. Do well to share this video. Let people know about what is happening. And you are still also entitled to your own opinion. Drop it and I will go along with your comment. For now, bye.